All right, let's crush another Mtel question. This one says, which of the following values is the best approximation for the area of a rectangle with length square root of 3 plus square root of 5 inches and width square root of 3 inches? So important to this question is the formula for area, because that's what we're trying to approximate, which is length times width equals area. We're given a length and a width, so if we write that out, we get the length is root 3 plus root 5. And then we're going to be multiplying that by the width, which is the square root of 3. Well, we can distribute this, since these two things are multiplied, we can distribute this square root of 3 into the parentheses and multiply it by both things. So the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 9, which is just 3. If you multiply a square root times itself, you just get what's inside the square root, so that's going to be 3. And then when we multiply two different square roots, you can just multiply the numbers under the square root. So the square root of 5 times the square root of 3 is just the square root of 15. So we got an exact value here. We don't have to approximate that. And if we're trying to approximate the square root of 15 without using a calculator, we just have to think about what's the closest perfect square to 15, right? So 16 is a perfect square, and the square root of 16 is 4. 15 is really close to 4. If we take a number that's less than 15 that's a perfect square, the next closest one is 9. 15 is a lot closer to 16 than it is to 9. So we can approximate the square root of 15 to somewhere around 4. It's going to be a little bit less than 4. But now we've got 3 plus a number very close to 4, and 3 plus 4 is 7. So this area should be very close to 7 inches.